Log in to your Google Tag Manager and access the dashboard. Go to Tags. Then click the New button to add a new tag. Name the new tag, Seers Cookie Consent, exactly just as it appears here on the screen for easy identification. Then click on the tag. Click on Discover more tag types in the Community Template Gallery. Search Seers, and then click on Seers CMP and Cookie Banner. Click Add to Workspace. GCM v2 is implemented by default in consent settings. You'll be taken to a new screen tag configuration. You need to add CDN link and data key. To get the value of both input fields, log in to your Seers account and click on Cookie Consent. Select the domain and then click on Get Code. You'll see the following screen with data key and CDN link. Copy the CDN link from the script and paste it into the CDN link section in GTM. Then, return to the Seers dashboard, copy the data key link from the script, and paste it into the data key section carefully. Now, to adjust the regional settings, click on Consent Settings by default. In the drop-down menu, click on Add Settings. After clicking, a new sidebar will appear with various options. Go to the last option named Regions in the sidebar. As per the Global Data Privacy Regulations, some states do not require prior consent, so default blocking does not apply there. So, you need to add the list to the Regions section. Click on Add button to save these changes. Then, choose a trigger to fire the GTM tag. Select the option Consent Initialization All Pages. Click the Save button to save the tag. Click the Submit button to submit the GTM tag. Add the version name and description of the tag, then click the Publish button, and your GTM tag will be published. Now to add Seers Trigger to non-Google tags, click on Triggers. Click on New to create a trigger. Name that trigger as Seers AI Trigger exactly as it appears on the screen. After naming the trigger, click on Trigger Configuration. On click, a sidebar will open. Choose Custom Event. Name the custom event as Seers_consent. Now, click on Save button to save the changes. Now open the Tags bar, select any non-Google tag like Hubspot. Click on the Edit icon in the Triggering section. Click on the plus icon, select Seers AI Trigger. Click on Advanced Setting. Then, click on Consent Settings and select Require Additional Consent for tag to fire. After this, a new option, Add Required Consent, will appear. Select that and add GCM State. Click Save to apply all these changes. Now submit these changes and then publish it and you are all set.